In this quick video, we'll show you how to use the scrape website action to pull clean, readable content from any public web page. With the scrape website action in Agenticlo, you can automatically pull useful content from any public web page, like blog posts, articles, course descriptions, or pricing pages, and send it straight into your workflow manually. With the scrape website action in Agenticlo, you can instantly extract content from any public web page like blogs, articles, or pricing pages and send it into your workflow. No more copy-pasting. Use it to summarize articles, feed AI agents real-time info, compare competitors, generate ideas, or autofill reports all in one step. Let's get started. First, go to the Workflow section. Click New Workflow to begin building your scraping tool. This is where it begins. Here's the main canvas for your web scraping setup. You'll need to start with a user input block. This is where we specify which website to scrape. Open the input settings to adjust the label. Now paste in any site URL you want to scrape. That's all we need for this step. Search for Conweb Scraping and click it. It's now part of the flow. Let's configure the scraper. Next, add a new step to the workflow. This connects the scraper to your target site. This step pulls data based on your input. In preprocessing, choose text or HTML. We'll go with text to make it easy to read. Keep it simple unless HTML is required. This makes sure we get readable output. Now for the token setting. If you set the max token 10,000, it will read and bring back the amount of content from 7.5 thousand to 10,000 word. Next, we define which text to extract. These are common HTML tags. You can keep the default settings, or add more like meta descriptions and headlines. This step is optional. Totally up to you. Once done, hit save. Always save your work often. And now, let's run the workflow. For example, I have a URL. Just copy-paste here. And I click Run and you will see the result. Our tool is going to run a scan on the content here. Here's the result if you have many websites. You can create a batch run. This allows you to process and edit multiple websites efficiently. Some websites, for example. Like this, and then you click. Done. You see that? Run and you will see the result later. Let's come back to the workflow. You can see the result look lengthy and you want to make it better to read and understand. So what you can do is adding another. So what I'm doing here, telling the workflow to take that content and rewrite it into something easier to understand, simpler and cleaner. So I add a prompt, please summarize this in 5 sentences. Just like that. You'll find many models to choose from. Here, I'll go with DeepSeek, and then we run it to test. Here, 5 sentences. Let's say there's a phrase you don't want in the output. For example, this part. You can add a prompt like, do not include anything like. You can run it again. Here you can see the output has been adjusted accordingly. So this is the way to use scraping action. Imagine doing this for 10, 20, or even 50 websites. Just set up a batch. Assign each command or add a CSV. With that, your workflow becomes super efficient, saving both time and cost. So hope you enjoy happy scrapping. Try Agenticlo and subscribe our channels to more tutorials coming.